In this video, I will tell you how to customize this off-roader, or mainly called as car, to an FPV car. So you can just put your camera like this and your FPV car would be good. So to do it, you will need two of these 3x1 bricks, and if you get hard to remove, you will need this tool. So first, with the tool, move these things right over here like this. If it fails, you have to take it. After you remove these both 1 and 2, then replace them by putting this here and this here like this. If you want, you can also put these and this over it, so the phone grips perfectly. So like this. You have to watch the main video to know how to use this. Thank you.